Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 6, chapter number 3, circle. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more terms related to circle. Okay, now try to understand. Now there are what many terms in circle, and all these terms are what very important. These all are what basic knowledge. Okay, now try to understand congruent arcs. In circle with center O, central angle AOC. Now suppose this is a circle with center O, this is a central angle and this is a central angle, because what the vertex is what center itself. Central angle AOC and central angle BOD. Suppose these two central angles are equal, then corresponding arc means this arc and this arc are also equal. Now this angle is equal to 70, therefore measure of this arc is also equal to 70. This angle is 70 and therefore measure of this arc is 70, and hence these two arcs are what equal. So two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. So in the same circle, remember, not in other circle. That means the radius of this circle for this arc and this arc is same. Okay, is it clear? Now in this case, arc AC is congruent arc BD. So these two arcs are what congruent, okay, because these two angles are what equal. Then try to understand property of sum of measures of arc. So you can add the word arcs, but there are some conditions. So what are the conditions that you try to understand? So this is a circle with center O. This is arc AB. This is arc BC. This is arc CD, and this is arc AD. Okay. Now arc AC is also there. So this AC means what? This you denote by arc ABC, because this arc is large. So when arc is what small, then you can denote by 2 points. But if arc is large, then you take point between them and what denote. Okay. Now in this case, arc, suppose if you say arc AC, then this arc or what this arc. So there is a confusion, and therefore I take one point here. So this is what arc AXC, or you can take this as a point ABC. Okay, is it clear? Then arc ABC, this arc ABC, so this complete arc is equal to, you can add arc AB plus what arc BC. In this case, end points of arc AB and are what AB, and end points of arc BC are what B and C. So here the one point, one end point is common, and therefore you can add. So there should be one point which is common to both arc, then only you can what add the arc, otherwise you cannot. So addition is possible because of what? There is one end point which is common to both. Okay. But arc ABC plus arc BCD is not equal to arc AXD. So ABC plus what BCD, end is here, but that is not equal to arc AXD. Okay, full, because their end points, there is no end points which is common to both. Okay, here end points of arcs are not common, and therefore this addition is not possible. But you can add in this way: arc ABC plus arc CD is equal to arc AXD. Okay, so ABC and what's arc CD? So this C is common point and therefore you can add this. So arc ABC plus arc CD is equal to arc AXD. You can say arc ABD. You can say arc ACD. Okay, whatever point you want in the middle now you can take. Okay, now you try to understand theorems. Theorem number 1 for this. Corresponding arcs of congruent chords of a circle or congruent circles means see in the same circle or say other but which is congruent circle are congruent means what? Corresponding arcs of a congruent chords of a circle are congruent means if two chords are given and which are congruent, then the corresponding arcs are also congruent. So what is given? In circle with center O, chord AB is congruent chord CD. Congruent chord CD, this is given to prove arc AB, this arc AB is equal to arc CD. Okay, very easy it is. Construction. Draw sec OA, OB, OD, OC. Join, simply join what? All round radius. Prove. Now in triangle AOB, AOB and triangle COD, you know this AB is equal to CD given, this is equal to this and this is equal to this because they are what radius of same circle and therefore these two triangles are congruent and therefore this angle and this angle is equal. Now this is a central angle and this is a central angle corresponding to this arc and this arc. So this central angle and this central angle is equal and therefore corresponding arcs are also what? Equal because measure of this arc is equal to this angle, measure of this angle and measure of this arc is equal to measure of this angle. So both the angles are equal and therefore these arcs are also what? Equal. Okay. And therefore triangle AOB congruent triangle COD test SSS test of congruency and therefore angle AOB congruent angle COD corresponding angles of congruent triangle CACT. But measure arc AB is equal to measure angle AOB and measure arc CD is equal to measure angle COD, central angle and corresponding arcs. And therefore measure arc AB congruent measure arc CD. Okay. Then try to understand next theorem. Theorem: the chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle or what congruent circles are congruent. Means here the arcs are congruent given and you have to prove the chords are what? Equal, converse. So try to understand. Given in circle with center O, arc AB is equal to congruent arc CD given to prove chord AB congruent chord CD. Construction. Draw sec OA, OB, OC, OD or radius you join. Proof. Same type of proof is there but the congruency of test of these two triangles are what? Different. Proof. In a circle with center O, arc AB, this arc AB is equal to arc CD given and therefore corresponding central angles are what? Equal. So this angle and this angle is equal. So arc AB congruent arc CD given, and therefore angle AOB congruent angle COD corresponding central angle. Statement number 1. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB congruent angle COD from 1, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side, radius of what? Same circle, and therefore these two triangles, therefore triangle AOB congruent triangle COD test side angle between what? Two sides, and therefore side AB congruent side CD. So this side and this side is equal, corresponding side of congruent triangle, and therefore this is the chord, so therefore chord AB congruent chord CD. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you. Hello my friend, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.